Panorama walking benefits. If you are over 60 and not using panorama walks, you might be wasting half the health and mood benefits of every step you take. A simple 15 to 20 minute scenic walk a few times a week may help your balance, your heart, and even your sleep more than the same time on a dull sidewalk. Many people your age discover that a wide, beautiful view makes them walk longer without even noticing the time. Promise of video. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up a safe, enjoyable panorama walk that fits your needs, your schedule, and your local area. You will learn how to turn a normal 20-minute walk into something that may help your mood, posture, and energy for the next 24 hours. You will also see small adjustments that many people over 60 wish they had known before they started walking. Problem: boring walks. If your walks feel boring, you are far more likely to quit within a few weeks, and that means losing months of possible health gains. Many people over 60 tell themselves they will walk 30 minutes a day, but after a week of staring at the same gray streets or storefronts, they slowly stop. When that happens, the blood pressure benefits, the joint comfort, and the better sleep they could have. Problem: balance and safety. There is another risk. Walking in cramped, uneven, or crowded areas may quietly increase your chance of stumbles and near falls. Narrow sidewalks with parked cars, broken pavement, and sudden turns can force you to look down all the time, which can strain your neck and make walking feel tense instead of calming. Many seniors end up walking less because they feel unsafe, even if they do. Solution: define panorama walk. A panorama walk is simply a walk where your eyes can see a wide, open view for at least a few minutes at a time, instead of being trapped between walls, cars, or crowds. This could be a path around a lake, a riverside walkway, a hilltop path, a park with open fields, or even a quiet street that overlooks trees and sky instead of traffic. Many people find that when their eyes can scan. Solution: find local routes. Take 10 minutes this week to search for 3 possible panorama routes within a short drive or safe walk from your home. Look for places with water, fields, hills, or long tree-lined paths, and check photos or street views online so you can see the actual scenery before you go. Many over 60 discover that a local school track on weekends, a cemetery lane, or the outer path of a shopping retention timing trick. Most people skip this part and wish they had not, because timing can make the difference between a stressful and a calming walk. If you choose a busy time of day, even a beautiful route can feel rushed, noisy, and unsafe, and you may cut your walk short. Try testing the same route at 2 different times, for example 8:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m., and notice when it feels quieter, safer, and more open. Evidence: mood and body benefits. Many people notice that after just 20 to 30 minutes of walking in a scenic place, they feel calmer for the rest of the day and sleep a little deeper that night. Gentle, regular walking is often linked with better heart health, blood sugar control, and joint comfort, and adding a peaceful view may make it easier to keep the habit for months or years. Some seniors report that their daily evidence: posture and breathing during your panorama walk. Try this for just 60 seconds at a time. Gently lift your chest, relax your shoulders, and look toward the horizon instead of down at your feet. Many people find that this small change makes their steps feel lighter, eases neck tension, and helps them take slower, deeper breaths. Over weeks, this may support better posture and make you feel more stable on quiz engagement. Quick question for you. If you had to choose right now, would you rather walk 20 minutes on a busy street with no view, or 15 minutes on a quieter path with a wide, calming view? Type your answer in the comments, because your choice can show you what will keep you walking for the next 6 to 12 months. Many people discover that a slightly shorter but more enjoyable walk is easier to repeat day after day. Checklist mistakes. A common mistake is starting a panorama walk that is too long or too steep, which can leave your knees or hips sore for days and make you avoid going back. Another is forgetting basics like water, a light snack if you need it, and layers for wind or sun, which can turn a pleasant 25-minute walk into a draining chore. Many people also walk with their head down on their phone, missing both the